Who's Braden?
My husband.
Are you married?
Yeah.
When did you get married?
From Sydney Jr. I was married to him.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Was he your boyfriend first?
No, he was my husband, not my boyfriend.
Oh, do you have a boyfriend too?
Yeah. His name, I don't have a boyfriend, but I have a girlfriend.
And what's her name?
Carolyn.
And who else?
Sloan.
And who else?
Kyla.
But you have no boyfriends?
No.
What are you doing?
Just a husband? Okay. That's okay.
His girl.
Do you love them all?
No.
No, why not?
Because we was my mom my baby Herberson knows me because she's not my friend.
Oh, did you tell her that she has to be your friend?
No. She's not my friend. Only Carolyn.
Okay. You love Carolyn?
Yeah.
What about Jenna?
Yeah. She's my friend.
Okay. I love you. Am I your friend?
Yeah. Or you're my mommy.
Oh, I can't be your friend too?